Chapter 13 is about the enigmatic sixth sense. As we step into the profound realm of Chapter 13, we enter the sanctum of the sixth sense, the pinnacle of this philosophy. Its mastery arrives only after traversing the landscapes of the preceding principles, an ascent that primes the soul to grasp the true essence of this extraordinary faculty. Imagine it as a doorway to the temple of wisdom, an ethereal threshold that grants access to infinite intelligence without the need for exertion or supplication. This sixth sense stands as the compass of our inner world, ushering insights and whispers of guidance towards our deepest desires. In the realm of intuition and inspiration, it takes the form of hunches, gently guiding us towards untrodden paths. Its intricate nature comes alive through meditation and the nurturing of our mental faculties, blooming from the core of our being. Like a secret sanctuary within, this sixth sense becomes our sentinel, warning us of impending perils and bestowing foresight into opportunities, a guardian angel of wisdom ever at our side. Let us illuminate this principle through the tapestry of lived experiences, where the sixth sense emerges as a beacon of enlightenment. 1. The sixth sense was at play as Steve Jobs envisioned revolutionary products, shaping the tech landscape with the iPod, iPhone, and iPad. 2. J.K. Rowling's sixth sense guided her through adversity, culminating in the creation of the beloved wizarding world of Harry Potter. 3. Elon Musk's sixth sense fueled his pursuit of space exploration, birthing SpaceX and propelling humanity towards the stars. 4. Guided by her sixth sense, Mother Teresa devoted her life to serving the downtrodden, leaving an indelible mark on humanity. 5. Nelson Mandela's sixth sense charted a course for reconciliation and equality, guiding South Africa towards a future of harmony. The sixth sense can be a bridge between the conscious and the cosmic. It's an inner oracle that whispers profound truths, offering a timeless connection to the wellspring of universal intelligence. As you tread the path of enlightenment, embrace the guidance of this inner beacon. Just as a lighthouse guides ships through treacherous waters, your sixth sense will illuminate your journey, casting light on the uncharted territories of your aspirations. The sixth sense beckons, like a guardian angel, ever present to unlock the gates of wisdom, to instill foresight, and to inspire the dance of your life's symphony. Through its mastery, we become attuned to the symphony of the universe, embracing the profound harmony that resonates within and around us. For faster results, check the playlist to listen to the next chapters. We wish you a powerful day. Subscribe for more.